Okay, with the software running, we're going to test it out and make sure that everything is working as it should be. So when you first open up the software, you get a blank sketch, they're called, a blank program that has nothing in here, no code or anything. So to test out our circuit and make sure that everything's working, what we're going to do is we're going to go to an example. So we're going to go to Basics, and we're going to go to Blink. These are some programs that have already been written for us by the experts at Arduino. So the Blink program turns an LED on for 1 second and turns it off for 1 second repeatedly. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in my Arduino into my computer using an LED port. And we're going to check and make sure that that has been recognized. If we go up to Tools, and if we see board, Arduino, and then the port, we're going to select the one that says CH341. The number might be slightly different depending on which USB port you plugged it in, but it should say something pretty similar to this, Replio 341. We're going to select that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to verify that the program is good, that there's no errors in the syntax of the code. Click on that, it says compiling. It's going to run through it as if it was going to upload it, done compiling, and it's all good. Okay, so with that, we can press the button next to it, which is upload, and then that will transfer onto the board. So it's going to say uploading, and then it's going to give us an error message. And it's going to, at the moment, it's going to keep on trying it, trying to connect it. But the reason for the error message is because we don't have the correct board selected. The default, I think, is Arduino Uno, but we are using a Nano. So we're going to select Arduino Nano. We're going to make sure the processor is correct. It gives us an extra option, 328, that's correct. And the port is correct. So with that, we should be able to re-upload it. And then, there we go. It's done uploading and it's all correct. So let's just run through that again and make sure it all works. Verify the program and then upload. And we should see the message done uploading. Now what you should see, if it has actually uploaded onto your Arduino and if it is actually working, there should be a built-in LED on your Arduino which has started blinking. For some of them it will be green, some of them it will be red. There is one light which is on all of the time, but then another one should be blinking on and off, and it should be going on for 1 second and then off for 1 second. If you're not sure if the blinking LED is the one you think it is, if you're not sure if it's just a fluke, if it was an accident, then we can edit a part of the program to change it. So here's the program. We've got down here digital write LED built-in high. So this turns the LED on, and then it has a delay command for 1000 milliseconds. Wait for 1000 milliseconds or 1 second. And then digital write LED low, which means turn off the LED and then wait for 1000 milliseconds or 1 second. And then all of that is in a loop command. It's all bunched together in this loop. So it's going to keep on turning it on, waiting, turning it off, waiting, which looks like a blink to us. If we want to see if we've actually made a difference to this, what we can do is where it says 1000 milliseconds for delay, if we change that to 2000 milliseconds, that will keep it on for 2 seconds. And where it says wait with it off for 1000 milliseconds, let's change that down to 500. So what that should do is change it to be the light bulb, the LED will turn on for 2 seconds, then turn off for half a second, and that will change the rhythm of the LED blinking, and that's going to continue to loop. Let's just make sure we didn't change anything too bad. Verify the program. That looks like the program's good, so upload it. And when it's done uploading, what you should see is that the light will go on for a little bit longer and switch off for a very short period of time before it's on again. If it's done that, then you are fully in control of this Arduino and you're ready for the next steps.